Hey, Aliya.
Hi.
Come on in. Oh my gosh, you wouldn't believe the staging. It shows really well. I really like what he did over here, right? Beautifully done. And the dining area looks good as well. What do you think?
It's picture perfect, Eddie. It is ready for its new family. This home is spectacular.
It really is. You know what I love about the property is every little corner of the property is nicely updated. And you know, when you look at these upgrades, sometimes they don't do a really good job, but the finishing touches are just awesome.
You're so right, Eddie. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, completely updated. Over $300,000 in updates. Just done recently.
Right.
5 bedrooms, like I said, 3 baths, close to schools, close to shopping. You have to come take a tour with them.
And let's take a tour.
Welcome to 35301 Terra Cotta Circle in Fremont. This is the first time this stunning home has ever been on the market. Located in the highly sought-after Niles Glen community by Greystone Homes and features over $300,000 in beautiful designer upgrades. As you step inside, you're greeted by soaring ceilings, an abundance of natural light, fresh paint, and striking white porcelain flooring that creates a bright, modern feel throughout this northeast-facing home. The fully remodeled kitchen features sleek cabinetry, brand new appliances and stylish finishes, and opens seamlessly into a warm and inviting family room with a custom media wall, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. One of the highlights of this home is the highly desirable floor plan, which includes a main level bedroom with bathroom, built-ins, a Murphy bed, and ideal for guests, home office, or multi-generational living. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a custom closet and vanity, while every bathroom has been luxuriously upgraded with digital rain showers, body jets, and high-end Japanese smart toilets. You'll also appreciate the convenience of an upstairs laundry room. Situated on a premium corner lot, the home features a private low-maintenance backyard, complete with a gazebo and remote-controlled awning, perfect for relaxing amongst fruit trees or entertaining outdoors. The HOA-maintained front yard adds even more everyday ease. Additional upgrades include central heating and air with a Nest system, re-engineered wood flooring, a smart garage entry, an epoxy-finished garage with built-ins, and a fully equipped Tesla charger. Located in an excellent commuter-friendly area, you're just minutes away from Dunbarton Bridge, BART, Highway 880, and major tech employers like Meta. This home is truly turnkey. Beautifully updated, move-in ready. Opportunities like this don't come around often. Don't miss it. Thank you so much for taking a tour of our beautiful home.
As you saw, it's a gorgeous property. We're going to do an open house with live jazz and champagne, the first open house. Stop by, and if you have any questions, reach out. See you soon.